Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to change your number on Gmail using your Android device. It's a simple process, and we'll walk you through each step. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android phone. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture. A menu will appear. Go ahead and tap Manage your Google account. Now, you'll see several options. Tap on Personal Info. Scroll down until you find Contact Info. Once you're there, tap on Phone to view your current phone number. Tap on your phone number, then hit the pencil icon to make changes. At the bottom right, you'll see Update Number. Tap on that option to proceed. Now you can make your changes. Once you've entered your new number, tap Select to finalize the update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your number on Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.